Hi everyone, this is Dare from Manila Ranch. Today I'm going to teach you how to install your automatic water float into your reservoir. Alright, some components of this is going to be your elbow and your adapter from hose to the PVC thread. Here we have your actual float valve. It's fully adjustable. Turn this, you can turn it up, down, however you see fit. And just tighten that back up and once you're good to go. It's 3 pieces itself. You got the nut and the rubber washer with the actual float body. You can see. And then you just put that back together so we don't lose any parts. Alright, awesome. We're going to use our channel lock pliers, tape measure, marker, Teflon tape, and our drill. This drill bit's a step drill bit and it's marked off at 15th, 16th for the hole for this. Alright, and we're gonna have our rags, trusty little rags. So let's jump right into it, okay? So we're measuring this out. It's not gonna be like the other videos where you measure from the bottom up. No, it's gonna be from the top to the bottom. So you're gonna measure 3 inches. Alright, 3 inches. 3 inch mark. Alright, awesome. Make it as big or as small as you need it. I already marked mine off. I recommend you do the same thing. That way you see when you're supposed to stop. Stop, get all this plastic stuff out, and then just hit it one more time. Awesome. Yeah, this is the stuff I'm talking about. Alright, once you got this nice out of your way, clean your area, put this to the side for a second. Before installing this, you're going to want to put some Teflon tape. This already has it. For video's sake, I'm just going to show you how to put on the Teflon tape onto this part, onto this thread. Start from the beginning, and right. Do just one continuous layer. Alright, once you got it, just tear it off. Put the lid back on. Don't forget to put on your washer. Washer goes against your valve body. Bring this back in. You push this through. It's going to be a snug fit. Make sure you line this up. And to keep your valve a little downwards, tighten that up. Alright, awesome. Alright, awesome. You're going to add your locking nut. Get that in there nice and snug. Grab your channel lock. Cool. You're not going to want a wrench on it. It's plastic. Keep that in mind. So, put that aside. Comes into our elbow and our adapter. You're going to notice there's 2 different thread patterns. The more coarse, larger thread pattern is going to be for your garden hose, and the finer thread is going to be for your PVC end. So you're going to want to grab this, twist. I'd recommend you use 2 sets of pliers. Got my pliers here. And since it, like I said, plastic, there you go. Nice and snug. Alright, let's put these aside. Bring this back in. I'm going to grab this. Nice and snug. Alright, once you got everything snugged up, everything's good, you do your little check. That's how it looks on the inside. And that's your elbow. Once you've done all your checks, make sure everything's okay, you're able to hook up your garden hose and start running water through this. Alright. My name is Dave from Manila Ranch. I'm glad this video can help you today. Anything else you may need, just let me know. Thank you.